programmer would be sad. They would be very sad, and I am sad. Honestly, I am sad though. You know, because I just can't. I just can't do this. Like, I honestly cannot do this. And you know what? I don't want to say, oh, it's like a coding puzzle, blah, 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 blah. No, this is like a real thing that I should be able to do, right? And so I'm kind of upset. Like, honestly, at this point, I'm like, massive skill issues. Honestly, I've been just ignoring. I've just been ignoring things. I don't have a computer science degree. I'm just an electrical engineer, Apparently not a very good one though, right? Although this isn't electrical engineering, but still skill issues. So I have to, I'm just trying things, but what I should really do is like go back to the draw. I should really evaluate, like I should evaluate, my life. I should take stock of my life and where it went wrong. Where it went wrong and why I cannot solve this. Why I cannot solve day 4 part 2. I looked at other people's solutions and I don't see a single recursive solution. So I'm like, thought it was recursive. Maybe it's not. But it reads recursive to me, so I thought I would do it. And like it's just not good. Like, but I'm like, here, let me think about this one more time. But NeoVim Conf is going on, so I totally understand. And I'm also like an hour late. So I totally understand. Let me just walk through what I think this problem is saying to me, right? What is this problem saying to me? Okay? It's saying I have a lot of skill issues, Why is this chord? All right. And it's not, oh, just use Ruby. No. It's not the programming. This is actually a fundamental, like, missing link in my like, I have gaps, like, and my gaps are all algorithmic, and I have to solve this problem. Like, I'm hell bent on solving this algorithmic problems. Well, it's not like, this is the thing. Okay, this is the thing. This is very simple, right? Like, this is why I'm upset. I also have like other things going on in my life, but I don't know if that's an excuse, really, All right, so we take like here. Let's look at the example, right? So here, card 1, right? Can I put this card 1, right? Oh no, oh, there we go. Okay, so card 1, right? It has 4, right? It has 4 matches, right? So we'll just say 4 matches. And then we'll do the same for cards 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So we'll say these ones all have a certain number of matches, right? Could be between 0 and whatever. And so it's like, I understand the problem, and I kind of understand what the solution should be, but for some reason, for some skill issued reason, it's just sad. Honestly, at this point, it's just sad. Like, I'm beyond sad at and this happened last year too, and I did nothing about it, right? I was just like, forget it. Okay, so we'll just do this. I mean, I could just be, let's see. So here, right? This one has 2 matches. This one has 1 match, right? And so from here, right? There's basically, like, this comes out like this, right? So this one goes over here, and we get card. Well, I mean, I'm putting it over here, but realistically, what happens is it comes out, right? And then this, it actually goes this way, right? It actually goes to card 2, right? Like in my mind, that's what I'm thinking, right? It like goes back to card 2, right? Which is a weird way to draw this. So maybe we'll just dupe, right? This one comes out here. Like card 2. We'll just say 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? And then from here, right? So from card 2, right? How do I bend this? Oh, is that how you do it? There we go. So from card 2, right? I'm never gonna get you. I'm never gonna get to day 8. Like I'm like at this rate, it's just not gonna happen. So card 2 gets card 3 and 4, right? And then from there, card 3 gets cards 4 and 5, right? And then from there, card 4 gets card 5, right? And that's pretty much the end of that train, because 5 has 0, right? So it's like, I don't know. And I want to do it recursively. Like I don't, Darren, what's up? Oh yeah. Yeah. Sorry. This is the story. Do you want to know the story, Darren? Behind this thing? Where do I go? What was I don't even know. Let's see. Where do I, is it replies? What do I do? Let me see. Dylan's girlfriend was like, wow, shoot, where do we go? What do I do? There's just so much nonsense in here. Dang it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so Dylan said, y'all might not like it, but Nightshade Dude is the most powerful person in all of tech Twitter / Twitch. It's true for Twitch, right? It's true for Twitch. Yeah, J. Cole, yeah. So then I said, so true. And then his girlfriend goes, I have a proposition for you. Because she's trying to unseat Nightshade Dude as admin on all the tech Twitch streams. So it's pretty funny. So I just unmodded everyone, right? I unmodded everyone. Yeah. Wait, why? How is Nightshade Dude? Oh, so okay. I was like, is that a VIP? Yeah. So everyone, no one's a mod. There's no more mods except for, what do I do here? Mods. What do I do? Fossabot, Null Inside, Streamlabs, and Jekyll 163. So yeah, that's the story. But anyway, look at it. This gets 5, right? And then it ends. And then this is similar, right? But this one though comes down here, and it does the same thing. 4 and 5, right? Oh, jeez. Anyway, I wrote this out, and I wrote this out on paper, and I was like, okay, I just want to check that, like, what I'm thinking a solution could be is, like, the right thing. But yeah, so my solution does not work, right? I mean, it does work, but it doesn't work, right? So here I think the problem is if I debug this thing, I don't know. So if I do this, right, and I run this, it's like I look. Wait, where am I? Oh, okay, so I look at this. So like for card 1, right, which I should probably just call it card. Like, why am I calling it ID? We should just call it card, right? There we go. Oh no, not that. We'll just call this card, right? Card. There we go. And then so for card. Oh, it just says ID. Because I destructured it as ID. All right. I mean, I should just look at more solutions to learn more, because clearly I do not have the right mental model for this problem. So anyway, so this is what it is, right? If I come up here, card 1, right? There's nothing, right? Card 2, it's the recursive function has incremented. And so there's a total of 1, right? Card 3, there's a total of 2 cards now, right? Card 4 is a total of 3. Card 5 is a total of, it makes sense, right? But then for some reason, right? Card 5, like card 6 never shows up, right? Card 6 is like, oh, you know, whatever. Like, I don't want to show up, you know? So that's this. So like if I go to part 2, right? Go here, I print these cards, right? Which, you know what? It's pretty straightforward, I feel like, you know? It's pretty straightforward. I should also get rid of some of this warning stuff, right? Just allow unused, right? We'll just do this. There we go. That's much nicer. So like if I do, so card 1, right, has 4 wins. Card 2 has 2 wins. So that's from part 1. That was easy, right? Who cares about part 1? We don't care about that. We only care about part 2, right? Let's see. Yeah, it's Nightshade's fault. This is a dynamic programming problem. You initially have 1 of each card. No, I understand, right? What in the world? What is this? Dude, I guess like I don't look like that, so maybe my life isn't horrible, but still. I initially have 1 of each card. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I don't know what dynamic programming is. I honestly have never heard of. Nope. Don't type in DP. Okay. Did I not have a safe search on? Oh my gosh, that was terrible. So I've heard of it, right? And I don't really know what it is, right? Hopefully no one was looking at the screen. Dynamic programming is with a mathematical optimization method and an algorithmic paradigm. It's a paradigm. The method was developed by Bellman in the 50s. Aerospace engineering and economics. In both contexts, it's simplifying it by breaking it down into simpler subproblems in a recursive manner, right? Oh, well, some decision problems cannot be taken. Yeah. So it's like so when you say dynamic programming problem, I don't know if that helps me. You have to understand, I'm not like, I don't have like galaxy brain, you know? But let me see. So this is what I'm doing, right? I come in here, right? So I guess this is the card parsing is whatever. That's neither here nor there, right? The real problem is that I pass in all the cards, right, as the first argument. Then I pass in the vector of cards that's from the matches. So like the number of wins that each card has, I pass that in as another vector. And then I also try to keep track of the total. And obviously what I'm doing is like totally wrong, because in my mind this should work, but it definitely does not. It doesn't pan out that way. So what I do is I just iterate over the passed in cards. So like at first I pass in all the cards, right? At first I pass in all the cards as like a copy, right? And then I pass in the cards, all of them again. So like I'm starting from cards 1 through 6. But for some reason, if I did that debug thing, right? Even that, yeah, I see card 6 here, right? Win 0. That's what I'm like, is weird. Like in my mind, this should work. I mean, is this like is this like a reference thing? Like, am I doing something? Like, can I not do references? Should I clone everything? Like, but yeah, I see card 6 here at the very end, which kind of makes sense, right? It has 0 wins, right? So that makes sense because card 6 never gets copied, right? So that's the original of card 6. So I guess that makes sense, right? So here is where card 5 comes in, and it has 0 wins, and then 5 again, right? But all of this is actually correct. Like this line, these lines actually add up to so this actually gets called 30 times, right? And if I count the instances of each of these cards, it makes sense. 1 instance of card 1, one instance of card 6, right? I have 2 instances of card 2, right? And so that's why I'm like, how do I get this to be in the right 2 key observations? Cards don't copy backwards. That's not... Each copy does the same thing as the original card, so you don't need to repeat the operation. You can just do the action multiplied by the number of cards you have. Each copy does the same thing. Yes, it does. As the original. So you don't need to repeat the operation every time. You can just do the action multiplied by the number of cards you have. Andrew, what's up? You don't need to add 1 10 times. You can just add 10. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. I'm trying to get it, right? Let me just take a second here. I'm trying to understand what you're saying. I don't know if this is helping me. Yeah. Oh, you're saying like when I recursively pass in the total, right? You're saying right here, because the total like is totally out of control. Like it's out of control. The total's out of control. The total is totally out of control. Like if I look at this total, so at first it's good, and then it's like it's not good anymore because it's now 3. When in my mind I was thinking if I iterate in a recursive function, it will always send the right thing, but like I'm at this weird fan out. I'm like fanning out, right? It's not good. I don't typically combine iteration and recursion in the same function. So that might also be that. But yeah, so the total winds up as 44. But in reality, this instances function is called 30 times. So that's why I'm like, shoot, that stinks. But I'm actually kind of like, yeah, I don't actually know. WeWas creator thanked me for helping you. WeWas creator's probably like, this loser. Like, why is this the guy who's streaming WeWas? Doesn't even read the docs. Yeah, honestly, I don't need to clone the subsequent cards for each copy. You can just copy the cards, as many copies as you have. No, that's cool though. It's cool that we got the WeWa creator's attention, you know? But it's also not cool because I don't know WeWa. And I'm probably the wrong person to like evangelize WeWa because I love it, but I love it partly because I don't understand it. But it's like, honestly, WeWa, it seems really cool. Like I can see it solving a ton of problems really easily, really simply, I guess, right? Problems that are kind of almost intractable in other languages. You kind of just go, oh yeah, that's like 5 WeWa characters. Okay, so I don't need to clone as a producer tag. What is a producer tag? What is that, Merlindrew? I don't know the lingo. Okay, I don't need to clone the subsequent cards for each copy. I can just copy the cards. I don't need to clone. Oh, I see what you're saying, right? I can copy the cards as many copies as I have. What? Hold on. What? Okay. I can. So you're saying I don't need to iterate in here. That's what you're saying, right? You're saying instead what I should do is I can just get the next I could just do this outside of this loop, right? Is that what you're speaking in code? I don't understand. You need to be super direct. Hidden Tandon, you need to be the most direct you've ever been in your whole life. Another one. Yeah, don't say the name is, right? Yeah, DJ Khaled, yeah, another one is pretty good. Like, What was the Merlin in a fancy way? No, not Merlin. Not Merlin. Too dumb to understand. Direct. Yes, it's 100% skill issues. Yeah, don't say Merlin. Don't say Merlin. You've got to say something cooler than Merlin. Don't say the name is. Don't say because Primogen does that. You can't do that. I mean, you can, but it's lame, right? Because someone and you could do another one, right? You say another one because you're just making so many video. Like, let's say you're making a ton of songs like DJ Khaled. I think that's why he says another one, because he's kind of like psychologically. I think he's like, oh, I don't think this song is gonna be a hit, right? Dude, I think it's too long, right? Is that too long? Another win for the Lin? Yeah. I mean, like, look, I don't even have words for this, but I don't even have words. Okay, I'm sorry. DJ Khaled, I would play it, but I'm streaming to YouTube. Dude, DJ Khaled, I love DJ Khaled, like, so good. And like a lot of people hate because it's pop music, you know? But look, when it's good, it's good. I don't care what genre it's in. Just keep track of how many copies of each card you have and how many wins you have per card. For each card, take the next amount of wins card and add the number of copies you have of this card. Add the number of copies you have of this card to them. Okay. So let me see. So I already, so let's see. So we could do this, right? We'll take, so that's
very nice.
Nice. Thanks. I have what I needed. Are you going to do? Don't do another win for the Lin. Don't do that. Look, but honestly, like, maybe do that actually. Maybe do that. You know what? You might be right. But yeah, thanks. Thanks for the gifted sub. No Good Nick is not here today, but that's all right. I'll do another one. Oh, okay. All right. Not another one. No, I know. Not literally. Yeah, not literally. Okay. Okay, let me see. Cards iter. Right? No, I'll just do this. You're saying for each card, take the amount, keep track of how many copies of each card you have and how many wins you have per card. So that's what I'm kind of, you have to keep track of the copies. I see. So what I could do is like, okay, so let's just scratch this for now, right? We'll just scratch this and we'll come in here and we'll say for card in cards, right? And we'll say let copies equals vec. It's like U size. It'll figure it out in a second. So then we'll just go, so card dot, I already have the wins, right? I already did that. I actually when I parsed the card, I actually parsed the wins. I also learned I could do this, which I did not know. I did not know that in Rust. I thought you had to do this, right? I thought you had to do this every time, but no, you can just do this, right? That's actually better syntax than Ruby. Like, I will say this, like, you cannot do that in Ruby. Like, in Ruby, you have to do map, do whatever, and then you have to come in here, and then because if you try to, you have to actually have you can't call a class method in a map, right? It has to be a instance method if you want to do this syntax, which is crazy. Wait, what? Oh, Patatas del Papa. Oh, I was like, oh man, at this point, chat might want to share their own Excalibur diagram. No, I have it here. Like, this is what I'm thinking, right? Like, and it looks like Charlie Day, like that Charlie Day meme, Patatas. But yeah. Clippy should warn you when you can do that. Yeah, it should. Totally. Wait, what? No one said you can only pass lambdas. Why card parse and not stir parse card? Because I did an impl. That's why I literally did an impl instead of that, right? But yeah, like I see what you're saying. Like, card is literally in your mind. Like, I have a struct, right? Which, I mean, I don't even know if this makes sense. I honestly have no clue. It worked for part 1, I guess, right? All right, so let me see. So I have copies, right? So what you're saying, right? is I don't have to do this recursively, right? I just have to keep track of how many copies of each card I have. So for this, I have this, right? I have card wins, right? So that means I have 4 copies, right? So I just go copies plus equal wins, right? This needs to be mutable, right? Actually, does this need to be a vec? It needs to just be a U size, right? That's it, just 0, right? All right, so I have copies, right? And then we'll just print out copies so I could use it, right? So for each card, right? So in the first original set of cards, right? I have the wins. And then I just add to copies for each of the wins. So for card 1, I now have 4 copies, right? And then for card 2, I have 2 copies. For card 3, so now I have to actually loop through. Oh, I see what you're saying. Don't just sum the copies yet. Oh, okay. You're saying like legitimately keep track of the copies, right? And then loop over the copies. For each card, take the amount of wins and add the number of copies you have of this card to them. That's still confusing. It needs to be a vec. Yeah, that's what. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Initially, you have 1 copy of each card. Yes. And so now that I have these copies, right, I can just do another loop for copy in copies. Right, but wouldn't I need another loop though? Right? Am I crazy? So I guess what I could do is like, I could just add the original number of I could just add the original number of cards at the end, right? But that's why I want. So if I push these, so now I have the first layer of copies, right? The first thing of copies, and then I have to do this for each copy too, right? And then I have to do it for each copy of a copy, right? Send your code. I'm not gonna understand your code. I'll just tell you that right now. I can share my Excalibur, but I don't know how. Yeah, share your Excalibur. No one said you can only pass lambdas. No, I know, but Andrew, I didn't know you could do that. Okay, I'm learning new things. Hulkus, what's up? Not using Frumster. Oh, I'm like trying to keep track of YouTube too. Useless closure or something like that. The lane is called. Oh, is it really? I don't use Clippy. I should use Clippy. Just look at the for each part. I haven't started day 4. Okay. All right. All right. That's good. I'm glad I'm not the only one. Let me see. Oh, what in the world? Oh, this is it right here. Oh, I am going to understand this. I love this. I love this. Line split. Okay. Oh, you're doing all the parsing all at once. What in the world? Bit shifting? You're shifting these bits? What in the world? This is crazy. This is madness. I don't understand this. So map. Dang, what in the world? Dude, this is chaos. Like, what is going on here? What is it? Oh my gosh, fold? You're using fold? I never use fold. Dang, this is some hardcore stuff that's happening here. I don't understand what's happening. What is count ones? What in the world? What in the world? You're doing like a math? You're doing like a logical and? Then you're counting all the ones? Like, why are you treating these as like bits? Why is this happening? What is this? Let mull. Oh, I didn't even know there was an intermute. Skip take, right? Did I not do this though? For each? What in the world? I'm not understanding this at all. So you're doing the card number. You're doing the card index +1, right? And I did do this. So what is position? Like, where does it come from? Collect tuple. Was there a collect tuple too? Is that a thing? Oh, iter tools. Dang it, freaking A. I was like, what is all this craziness? I've never seen this before. Iter tools. Got me. Bits go burr. They do. Bit set. Yeah, I know. That just counts the number of common cards in both. Counts the number of elements in the intersection of the set. Set intersection? Yeah, seriously. Nightshade, come on now. Also, Mull is a bad name. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I definitely don't understand that at all. So I would cheat at admin of code, but I cannot because I can't understand everyone else's code. I've looked at so many Rust solutions and I'm like, what is all this? Pause is literally position the vec from enumerate. Yeah. So I guess like I do see though that I do at least understand that you're doing two for eaches, and for some reason that does the thing. And it does the thing because you dereference this E, which is here. So you dereference the copies, and then you do copies plus equal, I think. Right? Is that what it is? Or is mul the copies? Mul is the copies, right? And DP is a vector that you've been... What have you done to it though? Where did it do? Oh, it's a vector of one. It's a vector of ones with the number. Oh, you're starting with ones, right? That's for the first. I mean, but you don't need to do this though, right? Oh, wait. Yeah, you don't need to do this. Like, can't you just do you need to do this? Can't you just add the originals at the end, or do you need it for the thing? Like, can't you just start with everything as one? Because these don't change. They're always. Oh wait, they are changing. Yeah, these are changing. Shoot, these are changing. Because you're doing an iter mute, which I did not know that was a thing. Can I do that? Is that possible? The cards iter mute. Oh my gosh, it is a thing. I was wondering how to do that. Okay, so you're starting with all ones, and then you're doing what I did effectively, right? Which is what I did down here, right? I did skip. I skipped the card. I took the wins, but then I collected them, and then I did too much work. Because that's what you're saying, right? So for this, instead of doing this, I'd be better off. Yeah. For each plus equal, because you've changed this already, right? For each position. Oh, I see. So for each position. Yeah, I don't actually get it. Pause. Yeah, you can, but like this is better. No, you have to. Just keeping track of counts in a separate vec. Yeah. GRZ, what's up? Dude, yeah, like, I guess I don't... Is there a way to do this recursively? Like, because this, every solution in Rust I've seen is iterative, right? And I was looking for a recursive solution, right? And like mine, I'm trying, but like, yeah. So what you're saying is like so while you're in that outer loop, right? Which is just, this is just the card number and the number of wins, right? You're saying is there a way to do this without this iter mute though? Because you have one vector that keeps track of everything, right? I mean, can't you do it with like two, right? And make it easier or like simpler, I guess. And then you do the sum after you've like messed around with this. Yeah, I mean, I guess. So, because this starts as 1, right? And then you skip card 1, and then you take 4 for this first iteration, right? And then once you do that, see, I'm getting a whole reference of cards, but you're just like, forget that. I'll just keep track. I'll just keep track of. I'll just add it, right? So I'm starting at 1. So then I add 1 plus, I make it 5, right? And so now I have 5 from the first card. I have one instance of 1 and then 4. And then the next iteration is the card number 2, and then you do the same thing. Yeah. Day 4. Day 5 camel cards? Yeah, I wish. Let me see. There is, but it's harder. Oh, okay. This is effectively your struct. Yeah, the tuple. You can just use a plain old C-style for loop. Why would you need recursion? There is no recursion in Weewa. Isn't there not recursion in Weewa? Can't you just call functions? Yeah, we are. The Mixed Nuts. We are a small community. We are very small. Okay. All right. I guess I'll try to copy this somehow. But I actually don't know. So copies is now my so you're so if I don't do is there a way to not do this? Right? Cuz this could just be zeros, right? So in mine, if this is my thing, right? And I start with copies, right? Or I'll start with oh, because you're changing it though, right? Oh, you're doing it for every line. Oh, that's fine. So I could just do my cards, right? Because I've already parsed them, right? So I could just do my for loop for cards, and then once I get the wins, right, which is effectively this, right? Then I could just do what you've done, which is iter mute. Which, yeah, I guess. And then I could do your skip, right? And then that would just be card, what did I call it? ID? What did I call it? Card. So my card is, you're starting at 0. So I actually capture the value, which I don't know how good that, so I have to skip 1 because you're skipping 0 plus 1 for the first position, right? And then I just take wins, right? And then I have to do this for each like you did, right? And then from here is when I do the weird thing, right? Oh, is it gonna understand what I need here if I do this? And then so wins, right? Oh no, this is actually the value of copies. This is the value of copies, right? This is the number of copies plus instances, originals that you have. Yeah, I probably would not have thought to do it like this, right? Because I first thought, oh, let me do it recursive. That my first thing was like recursive, right? I don't remember if I optimized it or not. People are optimizing solutions. I'm just trying to find solutions. Copies card, yeah. I do. Nightshade, I don't hate you. I don't hate you, Nightshade. I don't hate you. I just think it's funny. I think it's funny that Dylan's girlfriend was like, I'm gonna do this thing. This is my mission. This is my mission right now. I think it's hilarious. Weewa has recursion, but it's experimental. Oh, really? I thought can you just call multiple functions like inside a function? I guess you can, right? But does Weewa need recursion, I guess, right? Because like, you don't actually need it, right? Remod me. Oh my gosh. Everyone is getting muted in this chat. Everyone's getting timed out. Let me see. What is this? Fold, winning draw, winning numbers. Is this going to confuse me? Oh, see, you did something similar, right? That's interesting. You did something similar, right? What in the world is this? Everyone did it iteratively. Like no one did it. I'm the only one that thought recursion, right? I'm the only one. Standard Robot, what's up? Yeah, so this is not wins. This is actually copies, right? That's what you said, right? Card, yeah. Because it's the index, right? So we could enumerate though, right? And do a little nicer, I guess, right? We don't have to do card, right? We could just do IX, right? And then here would be like, what is it, the index first? I forgot. Is it going to understand that I want it to be U size? No, it's not. Vec U size. All right. So, I can't do for each from an enumerate, right? No method named for oh, has an underscore. Yeah, so like here, right? I can't borrow it. Mutable borrow. Oh, is that, can I not do that? Is that not allowed in Rust? I can't do that. So I'm actually dereferencing. Oh, it doesn't like that I did copies. Yeah, so I would have to, but I'm copying it iteratively. I'm doing a mutable copy here, and then in for each, just store a copy of it. Rust again? Yeah. I'll do a recursive solution and share it with you. Yeah, do it. Recursion equals more memory. No one has time for that. Yeah, I guess. I mean, I don't know. That's just what I thought when I read the problem. That's what mole was. Why not sum? Yeah, I have to sum, right? Oh, why not sum this? I have to sum at the end, right? I have to do this, right? I guess I wasn't, yeah, I see what you're saying. Why not sum, right? Yeah, couldn't I just do like a map or something, right? And then just do plus or something, right? And then just do sum of that? Is that what you're saying? Let me see. Does that make sense? What is this? I still have to enumerate. Enumerate. Okay. Found U size? Yeah, your mom found U size. Let me see. So then at the end here, I can just do... No, I don't think this isn't going to work because like I can't just map, right? And then sum. Because I'm changing, like we're relying on the fact that copies needs to change, right? We're relying on that fact. Also, this would not even work because I have an empty vec of copies, but you start with a ones, right? Which I don't know. Let's see. This is new for me to do this macro. It's kind of interesting. You have to sum out of the outer loop. Yeah. Map to only one value to make iterator summable. Well, let me... One thing at a time, I guess, right? Look, it's just my era, okay, Nightshade? All right, that's just what I was, right? Come on. Map X sum. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see what you're saying, I guess, right? I could do that. So let me see. Copies, and then we have to do cards.len, right? Yeah. And then, so this right here, though, yeah, I can't do that. I have to actually do this for each thing, and then I'm back to where I was, right? Yeah. I guess I don't, maybe I do want to just rely on card, maybe, right? Even though it's weird, I think, but, you know, whatever. Doesn't matter. But yeah, it still doesn't like this multiple mutability thing, right? Because here I'm dereferencing this. I mean, I guess I could reference this, right? But yeah, it doesn't like that. So I'd have to clone, right? Somewhere. I think I have to clone here, right? Do I have to clone here? Cannot borrow copies immutable. Blah, 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 blah. I think I have to clone. I don't want to clone this. I probably want to clone this. I can't. Look, where I come from, it's your mom. Okay, it's your mom. That's how programmers name things. It's true. I have to clone the whole vec. Yeah. Oh, temp. Oh my gosh, to hoist the scope. That's actually genius. That would get around this. I don't really like this though. I guess like if I'm looking at this, I don't know. I guess I want it to be like nice, you know? You know what I mean? Temp. I don't know, man. Whatever. What am I doing? What is this? What's wrong with this? Oh, I did temp. Cards or copies, right? This is like my working thing, right? Card -1. Can I time? Oh, right. What am I doing? What's wrong with this? 4 each temp. Why is temp this? Why is this happening? What did I do wrong here? Copies. Oh, temp is this, right? And then I'm doing that. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, it still doesn't like it. It still doesn't like it. Yeah, that's interesting. Let me look at yours again. What did I... Skip take for each, right? Mull? Oh, I have to do it outside, right? That's what you're saying, right? There's like a temp thing, right? Yours is called mull. This seems wrong. Like I'm going over this now, and like I guess it's right, but it seems like it I don't know. It just doesn't feel good. It feels like a lot of like. It feels like there should be some like. There should be I thought, oh, maybe I don't need the cards, right? Maybe I thought, oh, I'll just pass in like a tuple of like whatever, U size, and then total, right? And then just return. This is kind of how I want it to be. But like, it's just, yeah, it's not going to happen, I guess, right? Like, and so for each card you pass in, then you sort of go like, okay, match card, or you go match, yeah, we'll just do card.1. And like, if there's no more wins, then you just return the total. Otherwise you like do this thing, right? And like you call it again. But of course now I have to have a loop, right? Of card to like equals card.1, right? Or is this card.0, right? Or like +1. And like, I don't know. It just didn't, that also did not spark joy, right? And so then I have to like do an iter map, whatever, right? And then here I have to like do this, and then I have to like pass in card again, and then I've got to like sum the stuff, right? But this doesn't work. Like it returns 44, right? I guess that's what like I want it, and I have to do total plus 1, right? And like I guess like I wanted to do this, but like yeah, it's not gonna work out, right? What is wrong with this? Why is this like this? Equals card.1. Why can I not do this? What is wrong? What is this? I know with the name iter. For the range, can I just do that? Oh, it's already an iter. Classic. But yeah, something like that. I don't know. You know, like something like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. But it won't work, right? That stinks. Zero cost abstractions. AOC isn't prod code, just do it. Superlet would be lit. Oh, that's true. Because a card after this can have wins even if it doesn't. Are you talking about this thing? A card after this can have wins even if it doesn't? Oh, maybe that's what I was doing wrong, right? But that's what I was saying, like the wins are here, right? So like if this is the tuple, right? Here, we'll do this. Let index, right? Or like number, right? Wins equals card. And then we just do this, right? Wins. If it doesn't have any wins, then return, right? Oh, I see. I think I see what you're saying, and that's what I did wrong. Is like when I call this, right? No, I mean it should return oh yeah. So I'm returning total here, but I see what you're saying. If it's 0, it should probably return 0, right? Because there's no, yeah, I don't know. Zeros. What's up? Not calling wins W's. Oh, that's true. We call it dubs. We'll call it dubs. There we go. Look, I'm a shell of my former self, to tell you the truth. Like, confidence shattered, okay? Knowledge of anything shattered, okay? Like, horrible. I should do more LeetCode, honestly. Like, I should like read algorithm books and like do LeetCode. Like, I should stop programming altogether. But I can't explain it because I can't explain the iterative version. I thought it was just me though. I thought it was just me. I was like, yeah, I really don't understand this at all. But yeah, so like for this, I would do, the next card would be, literally it'd be card 0 plus 1, right? And then this, right? Or the wins would have to be oh, see, then I'd have to know the wins. I'd have to have a map of all the wins, right? Because I'd have to know the wins for each card if I was going to do it. So I'd have to actually the dubs. I'd have to know the dubs for each card. So yeah, like I don't know. I want it to be like this, but yeah, it's not gonna be like that. I don't think anyway. Like it's an iterator instance, call instance. Yeah, I don't actually know. Like what would it be? It'd be I'd have to feed in the next tuple of, but I don't even know where that came from, right? Like it hasn't even come from anywhere yet, right? Because I'm only passing one card at a time, right? But I feel like there is a function for each card. You should be, but you can't because it depends on the other card's things. I don't know. One of my favorite buzzwords. Yeah. I see you haven't. This is approaching dangerous levels of dynamic programming. Look, I don't know what dynamic programming is. Okay, just blame it on the huge font size you need for streaming. Yeah, I don't. What is dynamic? Okay, explain to me what I would do for dynamic programming, right? But here, I need a function that does this, but I also need this function to take all the rest of the cards, right? That's my problem. I need the mapping, because for this card depends on the next card, right? So I can loop through here, but this isn't enough, right? I need all the cards. It's annoying. DP clueless. I mean, look, I looked up DP and it was not dynamic programming. Do not type the letters DP into DuckDuckGo, okay? It's not good. My solution is dynamic programming. You don't repeat yourself more than once. You use mathematical magic to do the repetition for you. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Like, let's see. You have a vec of all the first copies, and then you do this, thing, right? Or I guess when I copied you, right? I copied your solution, right? So here I have the wins, which I could probably just do this, I guess, right? Whatever, it's card wins. And then it's not card, which is very strange. So we could just say card, right? There we go. Yeah, it looks a little better, right? A little D structure. Yeah. I mean, let's try it for the example, I guess. I mean, I'm sure it works, right? Can I do that? Is that fine? Right. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it does work. Okay. So that's actually the list, right? And so from here, I would just sum these, right? U size. But then oh yeah, I would have to iter sum, right? But yeah, I can already tell it's working. Yeah, that's annoying. And I don't fully understand this, but we'll go on to day 5. It's fine. It's fine. Let me just go on to day 5 because I'm burnt out at this point. Let's see. Will it work? Will it work for the input? Let's do it, right? I've given up on Weewa. I've given up on life. Honestly, I gave up on life and I came back. I came back. Let me see. What is this? That's a lot. Shoot, that's a huge number. Divide and conquer. Yeah, I understand, but I still don't really. Isn't that just normal programming, right? Don't you? That's not usually how I roll. I like chaining iterators methods. Yeah, I guess I do that too. Looks 1-to-1 with my Weewa solution. That's expected. Oh, okay. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Did I do it right? Did I mess up something? Oh no, I copied correctly. All right, that's good. That's sweet. Look, I'm so done with Advent of Code. There's no way I'm getting in 9 hours. There's no way I'm getting 5, 6, 7, and 8 without some help. But yeah, I have to stop programming stuff and just do algorithm. All right, so let me see stupid day 5. Let me see this dumb thing. We're gonna skip all this, right? Blah blah blah. The almanac.
We believe in you, Warren.
Yeah, I like every time I do Rust plus skill issues. Yeah, like I said in the title. That's in the title. 9-hour stream. Could you imagine? Could you imagine? That'd be sick if I just knocked them out one after the other. 5 part 2 is rough. Oh, don't tell me that. Don't say good luck. That's horrible. That's horrible. All right. Day 5 was easy, but I'm not really sure what I'm gonna see here. Yeah, Hidden Tandon. It's gonna be a train wreck. I'll tell you right now. You ready to see a train wreck? Like when you watch a train wreck, but you can't look away. That's what it's gonna be like. All right, let me see. The Almanac. Let me just do what I always do. Stupid piece of garbage. Stupid whatever. I just copied. Right? I just copied it. Whatever. Right? I need to read books. Cargo new day 5. Right? There we go. Like, I wasn't kidding on Twitter. I was being dead serious. So let's go to day 5, right? Let's see. Cargo Tamil. Good. Part 1. Input, I guess. I don't know. Whatever, man. FS read to string. Example.txt. Right? Unwrap that bad boy. Part 1. Part 1, whatever. Right? It takes input. Right? There you go. Okay. And it does something at the end. Right? There you go. Perfect. Sweet. Let me see. I've seen very different answers on what dynamic program is. Good luck. Have fun. It's not going to be fun. Luggy boy. All right. It's not going to be fun, Luggy boy. All right. Fancified caching. Yeah. Maybe I should learn what that is first. Right. Look, this is why I should have got a computer science degree instead of an electrical engineering degree. Okay. Because I don't understand this. But yeah, I think I'm going to buy a book. I'm dead serious. I'm not even kidding. I'm tired of not knowing all this stuff. All right? I'm sick and tired of it. Let's read this stupid thing. Let's see. Your puzzle input lists all of the seeds that need to be planted. It also lists what type of soil to use, right? So seed to soil map, right? So here's the seeds, seed to soil. So 50, 98 to 48. Okay. What type of fertilizer to use with each kind of soil, what type of water to use with each kind of fertilizer, and so on. Every type of seed, soil, fertilizer. Okay, so this must be seed, soil, fertilizer, and so on is identified with a number, but numbers are reused for each category. Soil 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are unique. These are, okay. Soil 1, 2, 3, right? And fertilizer 1, 2, 3 aren't necessarily related to each other. Okay. Seed to soil. So this is like, okay. All right, whatever. The almanac starts by listing which seeds need to be planted. Seeds 79, 14, 55, and 13. Okay. The rest of the almanac contains, this is a lot. I can already keep this in my head. This is a lot. Holy parsing. Yeah. Olive Staros, welcome. I don't have a degree yet in CS. You can do without it. Yet. But if you're in college, though, right? Microservices for problems. Oh, is that what it is? Advent of string parsing. Yeah, seriously. This is going to be... It's fine. I'm actually okay at parsing. That's actually not bad. The rest of the almanac contains a list of maps which describe how to convert numbers from a... Look at all this... Dude, this whole... What in the world? This is the longest description so far. Am I really going to do that? How long have I been streaming for? It's been an hour? I'm glad WeWaz supports regex. Yeah. Parsing in Rust? Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. Rust is a good choice. It's the only choice, okay? Berlindrew, what am I holding on for? Yeah, this is crazy. Okay, the rest of the almanac contains a list of maps which describe how to convert numbers, source category, destination. The section that starts with seed to soil, how to convert a seed number, right? Wait, what? He won't keep going. He hates us. I'm not a mod. Oh, there's Twitch. Matt. Anyways, good luck. Wait, what? Okay, sure. Yeah, sweet. Good luck. In your first semester. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. This is why I should quit programming. I should just let Hidden Tandon come up, you know? Like, I should let him come up. Although there's in no universe would...
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup.
Bluvian. Don't quit. Bluvian, thank you. Thank you. Last year I stopped at the stupid crates problem because I spent 90% of the time parsing and 10% on the problem. Oh, okay. Bluvian, thank you. I appreciate it. I won't quit. But honestly, like, the gap in knowledge and the gap in, like... I mean, I guess no one's going to pay you to solve Advent of Code problems, but still, right? Have you seen Advent of TypeScript? No, I have not. Have not seen that. Check out your SoundCloud. Do you give me permission, Merlin Drew? I typed in the YouTube chat. Oh, did you? Shoot, let me see. I can only see it over here, but I never look. Oh, good luck. Sips T. Was that you? MF? Why? Wait, do you give me permission, Merlin Drew? Do you give me permission to play this? Let's do it. Let's listen to Merlin Drew's thing. What is this? Yeah, it's not bad. I don't mind it, you know? A little cowbell, you know? It's not bad. All right. Oh, listen to the end? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. You didn't start with your more cowbell? You didn't start with your thing. You didn't start with your tagline thing. Oh, do you end with the tagline? Is that what it is? Let's see. Let's listen. Let's skip forward because I'm trying to get into this. Ooh, that's okay. Yeah. Wait. What was the first? Yeah, don't say Merlin. That was me though. Dude, honestly, like, not me, but like you saying don't say Merlin, like that could be it. Honestly, that could be it. Like it could literally be anything, because it's a psychological thing, right? Where like they say the same thing. It's advertising essentially, right? So yeah, like don't say Merlin. For you saying it though, that's actually pretty cool. Don't say Merlin's actually, that's pretty sick. I could get down to, yeah, I could get down with that, honestly. That's pretty cool. All right. Let me see this stupid almanac. Yeah, this might be the end for me of Advent of Code. I don't know. Like, the rest of the almanac contains a list of maps which describe how to convert numbers from a source category into numbers in a destination. Seed number to a soil number, right? Okay. But I don't understand, because the seeds are here, but this is not, none of these are seed numbers, right? Seed to soil, none of these are seed numbers, right? This lets the gardener and his team know which soil to use with which, okay. Rather than list every source number, and its correspond, okay. The maps describe the entire, describe entire ranges of numbers that can be converted. Each line within a map contains 3 numbers. The destination range start, the source range start, and the range length. All right. The first line has a destination range start of 50. Okay. The line means that the source range starts at 98 and contains 2 values, 98 and 99. The destination range is the same, but it starts at 50, so it's 2 values of 50. Okay. With this information, you know that this is like some weird compression. It's not good. You know that seed number 98 corresponds to soil number 50, and that seed number 99 corresponds to soil number 51. Do I know that though? How do I know that? Seed number 98 corresponds to seed number 50. Oh, was that a 2? Oh no, how is that? Wait, what? How do I know that though? That doesn't even make any sense. You know that seed number 98 corresponds to soil number 50. Oh, I see. Right here. Right? These two here. Right? This is seed. Okay, so this is seed soil. And that seed number 99 corresponds. Okay, corresponds. The second line means that the source range starts at 50 and contains 48 values. What in the world? Oh my gosh. This corresponds to a destination range start. This is a lot of work. Like, I just want to say this. This is like a real problem, right? This is, yeah, seriously. It's a range map time. Yeah. This is this is what I wanted to see. I got part 2 to run in 30 seconds, so you better beat that. Yeah, you're assuming I can get this to run at all, right? If I may. Yeah. 300 microseconds. Hitting tandem. No one likes to show off. All right. Actually, we do like show offs here. We do like that. Rayon Iterpar. I've never used Rayon. I got part 2 to run in 35 microseconds. Oh my gosh. I literally just showed off. That's what this stream is. Okay. Just people showing off. I'm showing off my skill issues. Everyone else is showing off their real skills. Okay. It works out. Let me see. Values 50 to 97. This corresponds to a destination range starting at 52. And also containing 48 values. Okay, so seed number 53 corresponds to soil number 55. Let me read that one more time. Contains 48, 50 to 50. Okay, so seed number 53, soil number 55. Oh, wait. What? Destination range starting at 52. And containing values 52 to 99. So seed number 53, right, corresponds to soil number 55? That doesn't make any sense. Because this is the seed, right? So if you add 1 here, that's 53. This should be 51, should it not? Right? The source range starts at 50? I don't even understand the problem at this point. We're not off to a good start. What is the soil? I understood this first one, right? 51. Oh, wait. 48 though. Any source numbers that aren't mapped correspond to the same destination number? Seed number 10 corresponds to soil number 10? So seed number 53 corresponds to soil number 55. What? What in the world? Why? That's 5 and that's 1. Why would that be? What in the world? Dude, I just need to let LLM take over at this point, okay? This is seed soil range, right? Or this is the range of the super source range, destination range, right? So this is seed and this is soil, right? What in the world? What? Why would that? Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Seed number 53. Values 52, 53. Destination range. Values 50 and 51, right? So, 53. So 53 would correspond to soil number. So 50, so if I, so 50, 51, 52, 53, that's 2. Oh, that's 3 from 50, right? So it's 50, 51, 52, 53, right? Wait, what? Dude, I'm so confused still. It's a 48 indexed acre. I just a silly stream linter. 52 index. So 50, 52, 51, 53. Do that 48 times in total. Yeah, but I guess I didn't get that, right? Like, how did you, from this text, how did you understand that? The second line, the range starts at 50 and contains 48 values, right? Destination range starting at 52. This is the end of my advent of code journey. I can already tell you. To a destination range starting at 52 and also containing 48 values. So seed number 53 corresponds to soil number 55. I guess I'm looking at this. Yeah, seriously, rip. Like, I have both stars. You're confusing. Like, oh, wait, I'm confusing. That's what I'm saying. Matt, I'm confused. Okay, I don't understand. 50, 52. I guess I don't see how 50 corresponds to 52, right? Like, where is that here? Like, 52. Oh, wait. 52 corresponds to, oh, I see what you're saying. And then 51 to 53. Yeah, but, okay, let me just, stupid piece of crap. Let me just see this. I'm so, like, I'm upset. I'm upset at this because I don't understand this person's, like, what they're saying. It's a fundamental misunderstanding between me and the advent of code person. They're Galaxy. I'm too Grug. They're too Galaxy Brain. I'm just like a caveman. All right. Let's see. 50 to 50. What was it? 50 to 52. Right. It's 50 to 52. Right. Okay, I get that. Right. And then if I come in here. And there's 51 to 53, right? I understand, right? I just want to get to 55. 52, wait, I'm already getting there. 54. Wait, what?
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Okay, 55. No, I guess I understand now. But like it wasn't obvious, I guess, from the text, like 50, 52. It's offset by 2? So number 53. Oh, yeah, I guess that makes sense. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just fried. I'm so fried. All right. That was so stupid. Any source numbers? I'm just like psychologically, I've just been tripped up. Like I just expect to be confused. Maybe that's what it is. Any source numbers that aren't mapped correspond to the same destination. So seed number 10 corresponds to soil number 10. Aren't mapped. Okay, so these are all mapped, right? But if the soil, if this seed number, like if 14 isn't in this map, which it's not, right? Such as 14 to 14, right? I think I get that. So the entire list of seed numbers and their corresponding soil numbers look like this. Seed soil 11, 48. Okay, 51, 53. Oh, there it is. Okay, they actually spelled it out for me. Well, that's good. 96, 98. Okay, with this, so that was offset by 2, right? So this is offset by a bunch. This is offset by 48, right? And this one's offset by 2. Wait, so why are these opposite? Is that just a coincidence or what? Is that's just fine, right? Is this arbitrary?
I dare you to
right?
say seed backwards. I did it and I'm still scarred.
Oh my gosh, could you imagine? Patatas, you're back. Fried chicken with rice and tomatoes. That's delicious. I started at 79. Find where 79 fits in the rage. Oh no. Oh no. This is confusing me already. Then map it to the destination number, which is the first. Oh no. Stop running your brain on potato. Look, I was in California before, right? Sounds like a skill issue. Oh, it totally is. We'll pin it. There we go. Pin. Let me see. Read my post. You're reading it wrong. Am I? Am I still reading it wrong? I'm not gonna say seed backwards. Did I get it now? Just to confuse you more? Did I understand it? Am I okay? Do I understand it now? Is that fine? I think I understand it now, right? So the entire list of seed numbers and their coil spawn. I should print this out first, I think, before I even do anything, right? Am I still getting it? Am I still reading it wrong? Ronan, RU, what's up? Let me see. Seed number 79 corresponds to soil number 81, right? Dang, this is a lot. Like this is a lot of information. I'm not taking notes. Seed number 79 corresponds to soil number 81. Okay. 14 corresponds. Oh, I did say that. 14 is 14, right? Because it's not in the list, right? And 13 is also 13. The gardener and his team. So 79 corresponds to soil number 81 because of the map, right? Because it's offset by 2, right?
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
Spuds helping Spuds. It's true. Even though, like, you know, we're pretty far away from each other in the state, but you know what? We all got to stick together. You know what I mean? We all got to stick together. There's only a little less than 2 million of us, you know? We got to stick together. But thank you, md.dev, thanks. The first and second number are not offsets. The first and second number are not offsets? I mean, they're not, but the map, I followed the map though, right? Seed number 79 corresponds to 81. Oh, yeah, why does that? Oh, because of here, right? Because it's within this range, right? Yeah, that was such a long thing. So here's the range for this one, right? So if it's in, so if 79 is within 50 to 98, but it's also within this too, right? I'm so confused. So if 79 is within this, which it is, right? Then you just, you take this, right? And then you just add 2 to this, right? And so 14's not, 55 is within here, right? 55, oh, 55's here too though, right? Yeah, I guess I don't understand. What's the second line for? Look, I already forgot. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Like I said, train wreck, okay?
Peter.
Train wreck.
What's happening?
It's not? No? Oh, okay, okay. I guess you'll get it when you start parsing into the structure. It's not in 50 to 50 plus 2. Oh, okay. Speed. Welcome. It isn't? Oh, okay. All right. They are not offsets. Okay, so I guess like I don't understand. I thought for sure if this was within this range, you just add 2. But maybe what you do instead is you find it in this range. Let me read it again. Destination range start of 50 and a source range of 98. Source destination. Okay. 98 and contains 2 values. The destination range, it starts, so its values are 50 and 51. With this information, the seed number 98 corresponds to soil number 50. And that seed number 99 corresponds to soil number 51. Corresponds. This is brutal. Des source count. Yes. This. All right. The second number is the source. Yeah. The length of the range is the third. Yes. This day was the hardest for Addy Super. Yeah. I'm not even here. Like, honestly, don't worry about the first until you know it's in the range. It's 50 to 50 plus 48. It's 2 from length. Why they went des source len is beyond me. Yeah, why is source the last, right? 50 is 50 to 98 to 52 to 90. Yeah, your range is... Okay. Not 8 part 2? Oh my gosh. Yeah, like, seriously, like, what in the world? I almost just want to start putting these in to ChatGPT, and we'll see. Think step by step, ChatGPT. We'll get there. Okay, so let me see. So this is the destination. This is the source, right? Which is really weird. I feel like the problems are actually really this one's in particular is really confusing to understand. But everyone seems to get it except for me, so maybe it's just me probably. Let me see this. So seed number 79 corresponds to soil number 81, right? And so 79 seed seed here 79. Oh, I have to find, so within this seed thing, right? And their course. Okay, so I have to do this, and then I just have to find 71 here and then find the corresponding soil number. I can't just offset by 2, right? I actually have to build this list first, and then I have to...
ChatGPT, please explain this problem concisely, like I was 5, in gangster rap terms.
That would be incredible. That would be incredible. Could you imagine a 5-year-old listen to gangster rap? That's not good, right? It's not good for a 5-year-old. It'll help. It's just a DB. Yeah, it's straightforward when you get the knack of it. Okay. The idea for that table is the first element. It was annoying for us as well. Oh, okay. The map ID is the second. This is normalish DB structure. Okay. This is how you would do relational databases. Okay. That makes nuts, yes. Except you can't build that list because look at the input. I can't build that list because look at the input. Oh. It's not too long, right? Can I? Oh, wow. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. They're overflowing, right? This is out of control, right? This is not good. Actually, would they overflow? U128. Should we slap that on there? Should we slap it on? U128? I mean, if you have enough RAM. Yeah. Well, I only have 8 gigs of RAM, so we're going to be paging for sure. We're in the page range. You don't know that? Yeah. U64? No, we're going straight to U128, baby. All right. We need some big ints in here. I see what you're saying for memory though, right? But these are all just ints. I feel like we could do it. Computers are fast, right? We got a lot of RAM. So it's for all of them, right? Temperature to humidity. So I could do these individually, I think, right? Just use a memory map file. Who needs RAM? It's so true. U128. Let's go. That's right. That's right. They're not overflowing U64. Oh, okay, that's fine. U64. Oh, dude, no problem. There are some people that brute force over 2 hours. It's so good though. It's so good. All right, let's find the secret though. You know what? Let's dive deep before we even let's find the secret. U128 and M map. Let's go. All right, so let me see. So 14 corresponds to 14 because 14's not in this range, right? The entire list of seed numbers and their corresponding soil numbers looks like this. Oh, I think so this one. So I need to do this one more time, right? So these are all the same, I imagine. It's the same rules for everything. So this, what is this? So 2 means, right? 2 means that the source range starts at 98 and is 98 and 99. The destination range is the same, but it starts at 50. So its 2 values are 50 and 51. Oh, okay. So you're making the mapping, right? So you're mapping 50 to 98 and 51 to 99, right? And then the second line means that, or seed number, you're mapping 99 to 51, right? The opposite, whatever. The second line means that the source range starts at 50 and contains 48 values, 50 to 97. This corresponds to a destination range starting at 52 and also containing 48 values, 52. So seed 53 corresponds to soil number 55, right? That makes sense. Okay. So that's for all of those values, right? So, but the values, I guess the values overlap, right? So that's why I'm confused, I guess, right? Because like the top one starts at, so for 98 and 99, right? Oh, I see. Here, they don't overlap. What if they do though? Do they ever overlap? Like what is this? The second line means that from 50 to 52, 48 times, right? This corresponds to a destination range 52. Oh, they don't overlap, right? Oh, they're not overlapping. That's why I was confused because like what happens if you have multiple what happens if you have multiple lines that both map, right? Aren't mapped, correspond to the same destination. But like what happens if it's like double, right? Which one do you take? Not in the map, but overall they do. Download more RAM. That's the best right there. Before you start, answer why 79 goes to the second row in the map. Yeah, they never overlap. Oh, okay. They made it easy, I guess, right? In one map, 2 values don't overlap, though 2 maps they do. Oh, okay. They will only ever fit in one range of the map. I don't think because if they did, there's no way it would have worked. Okay. Then how did I get the right answer? We're not getting sidetracked. We got it. All right. So let me see. Answer. What was the thing? 79 goes to the second row in the map. So 79's in the second row because I see what you're saying. 79 corresponds to 81 because the first one is just 51 and 52, and then it's 98 and 99. So like, but this one goes to 48. It goes from 50 to 97, right? Because it has 48 values. So this one is within 97, right? But this actually, yeah, that's a good. So that's just that's soil, right? This one is this one's soil and this one's seed, right? So the seed value from 52, oh, it goes to 99. It does overlap, right? Because oh wait, that's yeah, right? So the destination, so seed number 53 corresponds to soil number 55. So it does actually overlap, right? Because oh, these only go to 51. Oh no, there it is, right there, right? Oh, I see. But it doesn't overlap for these are for seed. I'm looking for the seed because I'm given seeds, right? So the seed, there's these are two separate things, right? So for seed value 98, for soil value that doesn't even matter, right? Okay, I think I understand it. So if you can't build this list because of memory, which I don't know. We'll see if we can build it. I just want to build this list. That's what I want to do, right? I want the cheat codes. Oh my gosh, my dog's eating grass right now. It does not overlap. Oh, okay. It is soil seed range, not seed soil, right? Yeah, it's soil seed. Yes. Oh, it's soil. Yeah, that's right. Soil seed. That's why it's because this is overly confusing. I think like they could have made this clearer. I think like this is seed and soil, but this is soil and seed, right? Backwards, and then it even says seed to soil, right? Like I mean, the thing is, it says seed to soil, right? So I'm thinking seed, soil, right? Am I crazy? Like, is that right? Because it's a DB, you start with the ID of the map. Yeah, it's a foreign key. Sure, I get it. But like, it's weird though. Like you should just call it soil to seed, right? It's not a DB. It's not a database. It's a hash map. Like, do you know what I mean? And so it's like, just give me the thing. I don't know. I think I don't feel too bad about this one. It's a relational DB. You're not crazy. It's intentionally confusing. Okay. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know. Other people don't think it's confusing, but I'm like, what? All right. Let me see. Okay, so the Gardener's team. So now 79 corresponds to 81 because it's the seed number, right? Like this doesn't matter, right? And people are telling me this doesn't overlap, which is fine. And so 79 corresponds to whatever here, right? And it's because I'm only looking at the seeds, right? I'm only looking at the seeds. So they'd like to know the closest location that needs a seed. Using these maps, find the lowest. Oh no. Find the lowest location number that corresponds to any of the initial seeds. Dude, what in the world? To do this, you'll need to convert each seed number through other categories until you find its core. Seed 79, soil 81, fertilizer 81. It's not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Where is the example though? Is this it? Okay, let me see. So these all have the ranges, right? So the first thing I have to do is I have to build. Well, I can't build these maps. Someone's telling me I can't build them. But assuming I did build the maps, right? Assuming I did build them, right? Can I not do this? What is this? Why can I not do this? What's happening? Cannot save the file? Get out of here. Helix, you know? Try doing this in Weewa. Weewa actually might be overpowered for this though, because Weewa, you could just build a two-dimensional array and do like members and stuff, right? Like, oh yeah, in terms of memory, yeah, you need to build large maps. I'm sure it's possible though. But apparently there's a secret, right? Apparently there's a secret to not build these maps. The second row of seed soil, which kind of looks like seed oils. Maybe that's why I don't like this problem, right? Because I don't like a bunch of seed oils in my stuff. Means the range is 50 to 50 plus 48. The second row of seed soil. Yes. The second row of seed soil means the range is 52 plus, what is 52? 52 plus 48? No, actually that doesn't mean that, right? It just means 50 plus 48 though, right? That goes to 98, right? And then the second line is that the source range starts at 50 and contains 48 values, right? But that's strange. Oh, yeah, that's fine. This corresponds to a destination range. Oh, starting at 52 and also containing 48 values, right? So it puts you at 99, right? 50 to, yeah. Standard Robot, what's up? I'm still trying to understand this problem, okay? It's been 30 minutes. You can get the distance from 79 to 50. Okay, this is not going to, the mixed nuts, this is not going to help me, okay? 79 fits in that range. Yeah, 50 to, that's what I was, yeah. So 50 to 98, right? 79 fits in that range because the second column was seeds, right? The second column was seeds. Right here. This second column, this is seeds and this is soil, right? So like for this seed range, so this seed range is only 98 and 99, right? But this seed range is to 98, 50 to 98, right? So that's fine, right? Why isn't this 100? If I add these, why is this not 100? I guess, right? Like, so it's the inclusive number, right? But shouldn't this be 97? Oh, it is 97, right? Right? Is it? 50? Starting at 52? Yeah, 50. Oh, it is 97. Okay, thank goodness. Thank goodness. At least I know that much. My goodness. All right, let me see. So this is the seed, and this is the soil, and similar here, right? And so the seed doesn't fall into this seed 79 only falls into this range here, right? This 97, right? So it's 50 plus 40, I guess 47 technically, right? Is that what it is? No, 50 plus 48. It's not inclusive. Yeah. It's the length. Yeah. Well, if you write des source amount, the first character corresponds to DSA. So what is DSA? What is that? What is DSA? Okay, so yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I get it. No, I got that before. Yeah, so now I understand it, right? So now let's try to work through this whole thing without writing any code. Seed 79, soil 81, right? So yeah, so once I get to seed 79 from here, right? So the first thing I do to find this location is I go, okay, like 79 is within this, right? It's within these bounds, right? So this first, I have 4 seeds, and the example has more seeds, but not that many. And then, so here it's within this bound, right? So this is the bound for seeds, right? So this one's not in here. So whatever, this one's not in here. Okay. So now I have to do the same thing. This is also, this is soil to fertilizer. Okay. So I have to jump from this one to this one and do the same exact thing, right? And they're all backwards, right? They're all totally backwards. So I have to say, start from 79. Let's start from 79. It's here. So I know that this offset is 52 to within 48. And so now that I've found this value, wait, hold on a second. 50 to 40. So 50 plus 47 effectively, right? Equals 97. So 79 is here. And then now I have to check this, right? So now I have to find which value. Now I have to find which value is oh, I see. The index, right? These are just indexes, right? So I have to just go like, if it's within 58, right? If it's within 50, do I have this turned off? Okay, yeah, I do. Thank goodness. If it's within this, right? 47, right? Then I have to like find this. I have to from 50. So 79 from 50 is like 29, right? So then can I just go from here? Can I just do 29, right? Plus 52. What does that do? Or maybe I'm off by 1. Am I off by 1? What is that? Is it 81? No, it's not, right? I'm off by 1, I think. So dumb. Oh, it is 81, right? Oh, okay. So I can just find the index and look at it that way, right? Oh, that's pretty straightforward, actually. Yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so once I find 81, right? So once I find, what I do, 29 plus 52, right? Once I find 81, right? Then from here, I can find, what's 15 to 36, right? 51? No, that's not in there. So now I have to go 52 to 1, right? That's not in there either, right? Because I'm looking for 81. Oh, so 81's not in here, right? 81's not even in here. So 81 is just 81, right? Am I understanding that correctly? If it fits in the range, you get the number minus the source to get the distance, and then add the distance to the destination. Yeah. Yeah. Is this data structures? I don't think this is data structures, is it? I mean, it's whatever. It's just normal, right? within D's. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is normal, like, thinking, right? It just takes me longer than other people. All right? Okay. I'm sorry. My brain has some smooth spots, okay? I just spit on the mic. Wow, that's bad. I'm sorry. All right? Let me see. So this 81 does not exist here, right? It doesn't even exist. So let's go down to water. So let's try, it doesn't exist here either. It can't possibly exist because there's no way that any of these add to 81. So I'm just like skipping down 81. Let's see. Can we shortcut this? Fertilizer 81, water 81. Oh, okay. So light actually has one, right? Okay, so let's see. Light had, oh, right here. Yeah. So if I have 81, right? And it's 25 plus 70, right? Minus 81 is 14. Is that right? Wait, I'm sorry. What am I doing now? 25 is 95. And then from 95, I have to find the offset, right? Which is going to be 95 minus, right? 95 minus 81, right? So I'm 14 in. So then I just have to find 14 plus 18. Is that right? Am I off by 1? I'm probably 32, right? What is it? It's probably 31. What is it? Oh, it's probably not, is it not even close? Oh, 74. Oh my gosh. I did not do that right. Let me think about this for a second. Light is going to be, what do I say? 25 plus 70, right? 95, right? And 95 is, so I'm still 79, right? So I could do 95 minus 79. Oh, it's 16. What did I do? Right? What did I do wrong there? 16, so 16, so 16, I'm at index 16, right? So can I just do, no, I'm totally wrong. Like what? Oh, wait, is it this? What's this? 25? There's no way, because it's not in this range, right? I'm still looking for 79. It's within this range. What am I doing? What did I do? I did something right here. I did something wrong here. What did I do? What did I do wrong here? 25 plus 70? Well, it's actually 69. It's actually 69. Look, it's 69. So is it 94? Right? What did I do here to find this? I don't even remember what I did. I already forgot what I did. Good luck with this one. Yeah, everyone's saying that. It's not good. He's 14 in. Yeah, it's not good. Don't say good luck. That's horrible. Okay? Like, it's not, I don't want to hear that. All right? Jules on mic. It's true. It's true. One of the day 5 problems of all time, Clueless. Yes. GG easy. Ooh. That's what I want to hear. I want to hear it's easy, you know? But then if I hear it's easy and I'm struggling, which I already am, if it fits in the range, you get the number minus the source to get the distance, right? You get the number minus the source, right? Didn't I do that to get the index, right? Did I not do that? Did I not? I'm still at 79, right? I'm still at 79 here. So I skip this, right? Or I'm at 81. Oh, I was at seed 79. I was at 81. Oh my gosh, I forgot what I was doing. Okay, so I'm at 81, right? Of course. So 81, right? And here is 81. So I do 81. What do you say? Minus 25? Yeah. But so like first I have to find if it's in the thing, right? So it's 25 to 70. It is within the range, right? And so from there I just do 81 minus what do I do? 25? No, that's wrong, right? Wouldn't I just do minus? Why would I do minus source though, right? 56. Oh, that's right. It's 81 away from 25, right? So that's 56. And I just do 56 plus 18, right? So that's 74, right? Is it 74? Please tell me it's 74. All right. Okay. Thank goodness. Like, what in the world? All right, let me see. I guess if I would do this a little easier if I had paper, right? If I actually wrote something down. Okay, so now I'm at 74. I got to go find temperature, right? So 74, it's here. Nope, it's not there. It's probably here, right? 64 plus 13, right? 77. What did I say it was? 74? Yeah. What's 45 plus 19? I actually wonder, right? Oh, it's 64. That's stupid. Okay, 64 plus 13, 77. I just want to do this like super low. What is that, 74? Right, so 74 minus 68, right? 6. Is that true? I'm 6 off from 74? Yeah, I guess that's true, right? No way. No way, I'm actually at 74. 68. I'm 6 off from, what? That's not even true though. What in the world? What am I doing wrong? How do I keep messing this up? I need a piece of paper. 78. Oh, wait, what did I do? I did 79. That's 52. Oh, that's the index, right? Oh, right. I have to do 79 minus 50, right? And then I add, oh, that's the index. Then I add 52, right? And then I got 81. Okay, so I have to take 79, or I have to take the current number, right? What did I just do? I have to do it again. 79 plus, what did I do? 79 minus 50 plus 52, plus 52. Oh, okay. So it's always number minus this number plus this number. Why didn't they just spell it out though? Just spell it out for me, please. All right, let me see this. So let's just replace, so I'm at, what am I at? Well, I don't even know what I was. 74, right? Minus 13? No, what did I say? 64. Or 64, right? Oh, that's what it is. 64, right? Plus 68, right? What did I say? Is that what I said? 68? I don't even remember. 78? Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, so then 78 and then okay. I understand it though. I get it. I understand. I should probably write this down though, right? Just brute force everything. I mean, the skill issue is implied. Yeah, it's true. Just start parsing and print the ranges. It helps me. It'll help you because you want the distance. Yeah. Yeah. Paper helps a ton. Yeah. Without actually writing, I never write anything down. I should though. I should. Parse and print the darn ranges. Okay, fine. All right, I'll do it real quick. Let me see. Then I gotta go. I think I can only do the parsing. All right, let me see. Let's just take the. Oh, do I have this? I have this, right? Okay, so it looks like some colons, right? So I think there's not too many of these, so I could just hard code these, right? Like all these maps, I could just hard code these, right? We'll just do all of these. In fact, right? We'll just get all of these. I don't even care. Let's just do that, right? Actually, yeah. Let me just. Can I just do this? How do I get? We'll just select map, right? % select map, and then we'll go backwards and get them all. I gotta actually paste them though. That's the thing. Oh no, I didn't do it right. I had to do that. I had to yank it, right? There we go. All right, let me see. This stupid piece of crap. Okay, let's see. Oh, you know what I should do actually is I should surround these with quotes. Then I should go back to the beginning. How do I go back to the beginning again? Is it shoot? I don't even remember. Okay, there we go. Let's just do that. There we go. All right, so now I have quotes. Right. We'll just get rid of these. We'll just put these in a. We'll put these in a. We'll put these in. We'll just put them in constants. Yeah, that's perfect. I like a lot of constants personally. There we go. Let's see. Const seed to soil. Right. Seed to soil your pants. There you go. All right. Let's see. There we go. Good. Then we'll do the same thing on these. Right. So shift C. Right. Const. Oh, I can't. We'll just do and static stir. Right. And we'll say this. Right. There we go. And then we'll do each one individually because they all have different names. Soil to fert, right? Water to light. What's this one? What's that one?
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Fert to water. It's riveting content, you know? It's riveting. Water to light needs a thing. Light to temp. And then, actually, you know what? Let me look at this one more time. I could just. Oh, I can't know the indexes though, right? I can't do that. So let's just do that. So then we can just check if the thing starts with seed to soil. We know that that's that one, right? Temp to humid. All right. This is look. I don't like. It's just like a lot of bookkeeping, you know. Here we go. Boom. Syntax error. Sure. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's not good. What did I do here? What was wrong with this? Oh. Can I get over to the thing? There it is. Whoop. Put the colon in the wrong place. All right, cool. Never used. Sure. All right. So then we'll just go through each line, right? FS. Read to string, right? Good. And we'll say input or example, whatever I called it. Unwrap that bad boy. Oh, I already did that. Didn't I do that? I already have that here. Input.lines, right? So we'll do for line in lines. And we'll just say if the line starts with seeds, so we'll have to get the seeds. Seeds equals, it's a vec of something, of numbers. Hopefully it'll understand what I need. If line starts with seeds, right? Oh, I didn't make that a constant. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Starts with seeds, then we get the seeds, right? Stupid split. This. Is there space? Split, iter, map, seed. We'll just do S for string, right? And then we'll just do, oh, I have to actually split again. We'll split that, and then can I split again? No, I can't even. Iter dot, can I split it? No, I can't. Oh, I have to do iter. Right, so now I have like, oh no, I don't have iter. I just have, yeah, we'll just take the nth one, right? And then we'll split again, right? Unwrap. Unwrap dot, what is this? Split. And then we've got to do split at space, right? Is that what we're doing? Yep, that's what we're doing. And then we're going to iter. Oh, I can just map here, I think. Map, parse something. I don't know what is. It's a string. I have to like stir parse. I can just do s.parse, I think, right? Will it understand though? Yeah, well, unless I do that, I think it'll only understand if I do this, right? Give it a usize, right? And then we'll do collect, vec, boom, and we'll say seeds equals, right? I have to unwrap this because we know it's gonna work. Cannot assign twice to a mutable variable. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we have this seeds, right? It's good. Seeds is never read. Your mom's never read. Let me see. That's all I have to say, Nightshade, okay? He's probably gone, but that's all I have to say. If the line starts with something, seed to soil, right? Then we do the same exact thing. So let's, oh, actually this is a new line. Oh shoot. This is a new line. We have to get the lines until the next map, right? So if it starts with this, then we have to increase the iterator. So now I have to, but I'm in a loop. Okay, so now I have to do something like this. I either have to clone lines. I just do it. Who even cares? It's not that many lines. Input lines, and we'll do skip the current index. We need to enumerate this now, right? Enumerate. Man, could you imagine if like you got paid to do this? This would be sweet. This would be sick. Just do this all day. Is that what? Is that cloud? Is that cloud engineer? I feel like that's what we do. Data. We do some ETL. Let's see. Skip. We got to skip the current line, right? And then we've got to take the until. Take while x, right? X does not equal. I have constants. I should have done like a hash map or something, right? Until x is until x equals a new line, right? Because there's 2 new lines. Here's a new line here. Well, that's nice. That's nice they did that for us. Let me see. Human AI takeover. It's true. Cephalorid, welcome. I thought you were leaving. I know I was. Okay, I gotta leave in like 10 minutes though. Just parse and print. Oh, all right, I read that. Never split. Always split ASCII whitespace. It doesn't count for double spaces. Split ASCII whitespace does that. Oh, really? Interesting. Wait, hold on now. Hold on. Oh, not gonna make it. We're gonna make it. This does the parsing. Well, I'm getting there. All right, I'm gonna get there. Don't worry about it. What is this? Take while. Yeah, X is not empty, right? Oh, can I not do that? Right? Can I not do this? Oh, I guess it is empty too. Works too, right? Yeah, that's fine, right? So we get the lines, right? Dude, I'm getting there. All right, Hidden Tangent, I'm getting there. All right. What's up with the boxes? Why are there boxes? Do you have to box? Why do you have the stirs? Why do you box? Why don't you just parse, right? I mean, this input's like so straightforward. I like boxing. Yeah, you do. Let me see. Input X is empty. So now I have the these lines, soil lines. We'll just call them lines, right? That's fine. Doesn't even matter. We'll collect, right? Back, whatever, right? Actually, you know what? Now that I have these lines, I have to, for each of these lines, I now have to get the ranges, right? Heap is more comfy. Yeah, the heap is comfy. Yeah, I have to actually get these ranges, right? This is annoying. All right, so for each of these lines, right, until this is empty, I just have to basically split on space. But someone just told me to split at ASCII whitespace. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. And then now that I have this, I have to, for each of these, I have to, I guess I could print the ranges, right? So let's do that, I guess, right? So for each of these things, now I have to map again, and now I've got a vec, right? Or I've got a split, apparently, right? So I can do like X next, it's an iterator. Yeah, so I could just do this. I could just get, how many are there? Even in the input, are there more? There's only 3, right? Okay, perfect. All right, let's just do that then, right? We'll just do, we'll split a white space and we'll get left, right, wait, left, center, right, right? Oh, I guess I should call it something, right? No, it's fine. It's fine. We'll just do x dot next, right? X dot next, x dot next. Cannot mutate immutable variable. Let's make it mutable then. All right, so now I have lines of a bunch of vecs, but I just want to unwrap. I don't want options. We don't care. Oh, I guess I could. No, it's fine. We'll just unwrap. Forget it. Forget it. Can I do this? Can I select this? Can I select that? Oh, I have to actually select next, right? Next. Can I do this right here? Next. Boop. Boop. Right, there we go. And then we'll just unwrap. And then we'll get this. We'll go back to the first one here. How do I get rid of that? There we go. All right, so now I have a vec of stirs. But what I really want is a vec of I need to parse, right? I want a vec of U size, right? So we'll do the same thing again. We'll go to unwrap, right? We'll go to the end. We'll do the parse U size. U size, right? There we go. Good. All right. There you go. All right, so now I have to unwrap again. Okay, now we'll just find the commas, right? And then we'll do unwrap. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I have a vec of U sizes. Split once. What is split once? I don't know what that is. Make the map filter map and put after the next. No. Unwrap. Unwrap. Look, this input is very well defined, right? So I think it's fine. Let's see where we're at. Honestly, let's find out. Do I have the thing, right? Let's do like a hash map, I guess, right? Oh, because I can't look it up though. But I need to store it somewhere, right? Let mute, let's see, mappings, right? Is a hash map of something, right? It's a hash map of some things. It's a hash map of a constant, a static stir, right? Which is like the ID of the thing, right? So like seed to soil or whatever. And then it's the mapping themselves, right? So it's the vec of U sizes, right? There we go. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So it's that's what mappings is, right? So let's just print these actually. Let's just see this fail horribly. First, we'll watch it fail horribly, and then we'll come back to it. But I gotta go in like 5 minutes. I should have gone like a long time ago. Actually, I'm gonna be working late. Make the map. Oh wait, X next parse U size. Worst performance. Hidden tangent. Come on. I'm just trying to solve the problem. I don't care about performance, right? I don't care. But like, I agree with you. I mean, I totally agree with you, right? If performance, yeah. X next parts U size okay. Yeah, but then I got to do. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Turn it all to options. I could do that. That's true. It's a little better, right? We'll just unwrap. You know, makes me feel good. Unwrapping. Let's see what lines is. I don't even know what it is. Let's see if this even works. Yep, panics, baby. That's what I'm. Oh, no such file or directory. What in the world? Where did I put example? Where am I? Where am I here? Am I here? I'm here. Example, right? Oh, wait. Oh, where's example? Wait. What is day 5? I have a day 5 inside of day 5? Oh, no. Oh, that's weird. Huh. Move day 5 to here, right? Example to here. And then there it goes, right? RMR of day 5. Yeah. That's stupid. All right, cargo run. Oh, another thing. Parsing error. Oh. On 25. It's sad. It's sad. Oh, this. It doesn't like this. Which is not even... I didn't even... Oh, wait. This is what I was doing. No, I split. Right? What is it, though? Right? What is it? I don't even know. It wasn't even keeping track. You know? It's not good. Can I do that? Is that fine? All right. Oh, it's an empty string. That's not good, right? Did I split at, what'd you say? Split at ASCII white space? Is that what you did? Right? Now what is it? Same thing? Oh, there it is. That's what I wanted, right? Wow. Unbelievable. I split here, and then I thought I was at 79, but for some reason it didn't do what I wanted it to do, so there was an empty space. What in the world? We're learning something today. We're learning something. Priven, what's up? Threads go burr. It's true. Visibly worse performance and readability. Oh, jeez. Hidden tangent. Just 1-2 punch on that. Dang. Just socking it to me. That's not good. Let me see. Okay, so now we've got it, right? So that's not bad, right? It's running, right? Is it running? All right. So there's no lines, though, which is actually not good. That's not good. So let me see. Skip. I need to skip... to the current line, right? Which seems right. It seems right. I actually miss Weewa's question mark thing. That would be sick. Like to just insert that to debug. That's actually a killer feature of Weewa. I will say that. This like, because now I have to like make an intermediate value, right? And I've got to do like lines, right? And I've got to like debug this iterator, which I don't even know if I can really. Like, what does an iterator even look like? Yeah, it looks horrible, right? It's like, what is that even, right? It's not good. So now I gotta like do this. I gotta collect this thing, right? Into a vec. Ugh. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Okay, so now, whoop, it doesn't like that. Move to do this call. Clone. Doesn't even matter, okay? Just do the thing. All right, let me see. So I'm looking at this. I've got each line is here, right? But for some reason, oh, I didn't skip the lines though. What? I didn't skip. Oh, I skipped the seed line, right? But I'm on this index, right? If line starts with seeds. Oh, but I'm saying if it starts with seed to soil, right? Which is seed to soil, which it does, right? Then if that happens, right? Then I should skip. Oh, but I'm skipping from the top instead of from where I am. So I actually have to skip. Oh no, but I'm on that line. That's interesting. I wonder why. That's super interesting, actually. This is not what I thought it was going to be. That's super annoying. I guess what I could do instead is split on the empty line, right? Instead of trying to do all this stupid stuff, right? I should have just taken that parsing code, you know? I should have just taken that parsing code. Look, I'm having fun, all right? I'm having fun parsing. I actually know what I'm doing. Debug. You better believe that. Yeah, I think I'm just going to split on, but you can only skip on that. Yeah. Okay, Camel, what in the world? Hey, watch streak. Later on I can read this JSON. Oh, cool. Sweet. All right, let me see this. This is dumb. Now that I'm looking at this, I should just split here, 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 and here. Get the names, right? I don't even know what I was thinking. That's so dumb. Like here, so let's just do that instead, right? Let's just do input lines, split on 2 new lines, right? Basically, right? And what does that do? Let's see. Debug, collect, vec. I mean, it should give me like the groups, right? I think. What do I have to do? Iter? What is this? Can I not do that? Nope. Input lines, split. Oh, because I already split. Input split at new lines like that. That's what I wanted. There we go. So it should give me like vecs of stuff. Yeah. That's right. That is correct. That's what I want, right? That's way better. Okay, let me see. So now I have the seeds, and I just have to like get rid of this new line, right? Or I have to keep this new. I have to get rid of this one, but they're all on the same line. That's what I'm
Peter.
saying. That's much better.
What's happening?
They tried to make it easy. I made it hard. You know? That doesn't work, is it? Is it? I don't know. Gusan, welcome. Imagine not using logging so you could debug trace info. Where's my enterprise? That's true. OCaml was mentioned. Not like that though. Oh well, I mean, what are you gonna do, right? We'll just split on new lines. It's fine, right? Double new line, and then we'll just get the thing. Am I crazy? This is gonna work, right? It's fine. It looks good, right? So then we'll just then we could just do the thing, right? So for each of these, right? Then I can do each one, right? That's way better. So now I can just do this. We'll just do this. Let these are the actual lines, right? These are the real lines. So now we can just do 4 line in lines, right? Or I can do well, it doesn't matter. Let's just so now I need seeds, right? So let's just get the freaking seeds again, right? So this will actually just split at oh, I guess I could actually have a hash map of keys, right? To values, right? But I'd still need to know. Oh, but I have to go from each to each down in order. So it doesn't really matter. It could be a vec of vecs, I guess, right? That doesn't actually matter, right? And I could just do I could just do a vec of I could do a vector of U sizes, but I also need this, right? So maybe I don't want to roll that up just yet, I guess, right? All right, let me see this. So this one's going to be fairly easy, right? I'll just do the same thing I did, right? Because this line also has the colon, right? So that's fine, right? So that should work, right? And then we'll just this whole thing is like I don't want that. This is not good. We're not gonna have this. We're just gonna delete this, right? Oh, I still want this though, probably, right? That looks okay, right? So for each line, then we could just do the same thing, right? So the seeds line is a little different, but yeah, we could just get the first index is different, but this though, I do need. I guess I could put these in a vec, right? But I was doing a tuple, right? But now it's like I can't do a tuple if I want to keep them all the same. I'm overthinking this. Let's just take this and see what it's doing, right? We'll just take this for now, and then we'll delete all this crap and whatever. I'll just delete all this. Okay, good. Let's see. Print. What's going on here? What? Uh-oh. I just need another one of these, maybe, possibly. Uh-oh. Is this an extra? A stray? No. I need to write curly somewhere. There we go. Oh, this. For my debug. Nice. Nice. Let's just, seeds. I'm assigning line every time, though, which is not good. So we'll just do this. We know that the first line is seeds, right? So we'll just do lines.enumerate, right? Enumerate, okay. And we'll just get the index, right? So now I don't have to look for line numbers or anything, right? Line. And we'll just say if ix equals 0, right? Or we could do like a match or something. I don't know, whatever, right? We'll just do 0, and that's like seeds, right? We'll just do this, right? Move this up here. Hello. We'll do this. There we go. Okay, good. All right. Okay. And then this will just do nothing, right? Who cares? And then we'll just debug the seeds and see how bad I messed this up. Seeds? Does it work? Yeah. Okay, I got the seeds. All right. So then we'll just do the next one is going to be... I did all that work. All that stupid work. The next one's going to be... What was my debug thing? What was it? It's all on the same line, right? So it's the next line is this. I'll just put that in a comment, right? So I can keep track of it. That's what we're parsing, right? So let's just do... we'll do seed to soil. We'll do the maps. We'll do let mute maps, right, as a vec of tuples, right? We'll do vec of usize. That's what we'll do, right? There we go. Now we're getting somewhere, right? There we go. All right. And then we'll just do, if it's 1, we know it's seed to soil. So we'll just do, but it doesn't even matter. We'll just do, actually for everything else, we don't even have to do this. We just do maps push, right? And then we'll just do line split this maybe possibly, right? And then now I have, or I guess I could just split out a new line, skip 1, right? Skip 1. So now if I split a new line, I could just skip this one, right? I can skip that whole thing and just get these, right? And then now I'm basically there, right? I just need my commented out stuff, right? So now I just need to like map, right? Or I need to, now that I've skipped this, I have this and this. And so now I just need to map them into this, right? There we go. We'll just do that. Of course, they need to be tuples, actually, right? There we go. X dot next, right? I needed to split. Sorry, so we'll split map x dot whatever. X dot split ASCII white space, and then we'll make this mutable, right? And then this is supposed to be a tuple of but found a struct. So now I need to collect, right? But of course it needs to be vec underscore whatever, right? And now I'm doing found a struct, expected tuple, usize. Oh, right. Oh, I need to actually like append, right? Which is fine, right? But now I need to actually have this be a mutable reference. right? Can I do that? Is that fine? Or can I can't do that. I can't use append because I don't know how to use it. Expected mutable reference, consider borrowing mutably. Can I do that? But I'm in the loop. So, oh. let's try it. Oh my gosh, 39. What is this? Oh, it doesn't like that. Let's see what it is. Let's see what this stupid thing is. I don't even know what it is. What is it? What's x dot next? I wonder what it is. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, it's 50, right? Where does it stop? 98 too? Oh, okay, that's fine, right? Am I crazy? 5098 too? Where does that unwrap? What is it? It unwraps on this, possibly? What in the world? I mean, what if I just don't parse, right? That's annoying. Use extend. Oh, extend. Yeah. Oh, not append? Do we get to part 2? Oh my gosh, no. I abuse logging macros? Yeah. Me too. Worrying about memory when you have a mutable language? That's true. That's true, though. Let me see. This, what if I just didn't parse for now, right? What if I just didn't parse, right? I just did that, right? Just did that. We just did this instead, right? And we just did stirs, right? What if I just change this to stirs instead, right? I actually wonder what it would be. It should be right, right? No, it actually doesn't like that. 39. Is it the next, because I split, right? I skipped. Okay. This is probably why it takes me so long to do this stupid stuff. Because I'm just like, what? I thought I knew what I was doing, but I don't. And I should just act like I don't know what I'm doing. Line dot skip split. I want to see what this is. What is this? If I had a debugger, I'd probably use it. Collect. Whatever. Debug X. What did I do here? This? Oh, it's actually this, right? My append though, right? Yeah, that's fine, right? Okay. All right, let me see. Oh, this is how do I even read this? Dude, what time is it? Oh my gosh, it's over 2 hours. I gotta get out of here. I gotta actually do work. This sucks. All right, I'll be back Monday, I think. Fairly sure. I'll be back Monday. Hopefully I will be on whatever day it is, but I doubt it unless I start cheating hardcore. All right, it was fun to talk to you guys, but it was not fun to do advent of code and show my skill issues off. You know, sometimes you just want to show those skill issues off. All right. Oh, I should find someone to raid. Who else is doing advent of code? Oh, NeoVimComp still going? Shoot. Oh, well-typed witch. Oh, shoot. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Can we hear? Let's hear.
Maybe just read a number.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
He does that skip the last one.
Oh, there's no face. Dang it. All right, that's fine. Let's do it, though.
Yeah, that's so true. Yeah, it reads one past last number, but that's fine.
All right.
Yeah, so we're gonna
See you Monday.
number.
Bye. Oh, actually, I can't leave yet.
Move. Large.
We gotta wait for the raid. I can't leave.
It's called
All right.
numbers.
Okay, bye.
Plus 8 times 40.